Guys, TV repair na po karong backlight issue Samsung 49" ano yung update tari guys para itong panel kalahi ang panel yung mainboard. Natao na nato guys, under testing na karon muna itong unit under testing. Okay, oh Samsung under na.